Let's go, Susie. That was you, Mija. Turn it.
You have to bat, and you have to field.
Next, coming up for the Warriors, number 15.